Hi, it's Kurt with LifterLMS. And in this lesson, we're going to define what is a CMS. CMS stands for Content Management System. Now, you may have heard the term before, low code or the term no code. And where that is stemming from is not too long ago, right? In recent history, when you wanted to make a website or a web page or something to go into a web page, you had to create code around that content in order for that code to display properly for the end user on their computer screen. Now we have things like WordPress that are content management systems. They create a framework that has the code built in so that all we have to do is add our content almost like the way we want to see it. So we can add in the text, the pictures, we can embed a video, and we can do these types of things in our WordPress websites because WordPress is a fantastic content management system. So it creates a structure that allows us to put our content in and allows the end user to be able to see it flawlessly without having to know all of the support code around it to make it happen. So whether you're looking at WordPress or you're looking at some other type of low code or no code situation, you want something that creates a framework that makes it easier for you to put your content out for the public to see. As for us at Lifter LMS, we believe WordPress is the way to go.